Good morning, children. Today in science, let's do the worksheets of all the chapters that we have learned in our previous classes. So you can open your science text and we have page number 52. We have worksheet unit 2. In this worksheet, you have the questions based on previous chapters, that is body and internal and external organs. So now let's read the questions. The first question, Minu wants to tell her friend what her body parts do. Help her by filling in the blanks. So you can fill in the blanks in the text itself. So what's the first question? My dash help me see. In the blank you have to write what helps you to see. Second, my dash helps me dash. Looking at the picture, you can write and fill the blanks. Third question, my dash helps me dash. The fourth one, my dash help me hold. Fifth one, my dash and dash help me run. Moving on to the second one, hold your arms behind your back. Try to run, walk and jump. So before moving on to the questions, first do this activity. You can tie your arms behind your back and then find out were you able to walk properly. When you tied your hands back, were you able to walk properly? If yes, you can tick there or you can tick no. The second one, were you able to run? You can tick yes or no. The third question, will a person with injured hands run fast? So if a person has injured hands, will they be able to run fast? Yes or no? You can tick the correct option. The fourth one, do you think you can play football with your hands tied? So do this, tie your hands back and try playing football. And if you can, tick yes or no, tick the option no. The fifth one, do you use your hands to walk, run and jump? So you try this and you can tick the options there. Moving on to the third one, group the given parts as external parts and internal parts. So in the next page, you have page number 53, you have a column, external parts and internal parts. Some body parts are given, so you have to classify them as external parts and internal parts. So now let's check what all parts are given. We have nose, ear, eye, skin, tongue, stomach, heart, lung, brain and windpipe. So classify these into internal organs and external organs. You can classify them in the next page, page number 53 in the given boxes. Moving on to the next question, we have name the following body parts. Some pictures of body parts are given and you have to name these body parts. You can write in the boxes provided here itself. So with this, we finish our worksheet unit 2. Let's move on to our next page, page number 54. We have a model test paper, that is from chapter 1 till the last chapter we have learned. The questions are included in this question paper. It's given in a question paper model itself. We have 1 hour time, maximum marks is 30. Now let's answer the following questions in one word. You can write it in the text itself. It is just to write in a one word. So what is the first question? Answer the following questions in one word. The first question, which type of plants have large, strong and hard stem? So we have learnt about the plants, different types of plants, parts of a plant in our first chapters. So based on that, the questions are given. So you can write it. First question, which type of plants have large, strong and hard stem? You can write it in the space over there itself. Second one, which type of plants grow along the ground? Third one, which part of the plant makes food? Fourth one, do plants clean air? Fifth, name an animal whose hair is used to make wool. So you can write the name of an animal with whose hair wool is made. Sixth one, who makes honey? Seventh, name one animal that lives on land. So you can write the name of one animal that lives on land. Eighth one, name one animal that lives in the sea. Write the name of any one animal that lives in the sea. Ninth, name one body part which is inside your body. So any internal organ, you can write any one organ. 10th one, where does the air go from the windpipe? Lungs or the heart? So where does the windpipe go? To the lungs or to the heart? So these are the 10 questions and you have 10 marks for these questions. Second one, do as directed. You can see the picture of a camel. Study the diagram and answer the questions. So some facts are written about the camel. We have to study the diagram and then answer the question. So what all are written? Camel gives us milk. Camel helps us to travel. Camel gives us wool. Camel gives us leather and camel carries loads. So based on this diagram, we have to answer. So moving on to next page, page number 55. The first question, name 3 things we get from camels. Looking at the picture, you can answer this. B, are camels used to go from one place to another? Third C, are camels used for carrying loads? Now second one, read the given sentences and draw a herb. So sentences are given about a herb and you have to draw a herb. A herb is a small plant. It has one green stem. The stem has leaves. So based on this, you have to draw a herb. Third question, name the parts of the body. So you can see a picture of a face given there and you can label the body parts which are given there. So with this, we finish our model test paper. You can do it in the text itself and send photo in our Teams. So with this, we finish our worksheets and model test paper. Thank you.